Today we will discuss the analysis of simply supported beam using the Uriel load. Now we will go to the input command 6.5 meter. Now we will use the add beam command. Simply I can use the dimension 6.5 meter beam. Now we will go to the general, apply the supports, fix support on both sides. Go to the property, define this section, assign to view. Now what we're gonna do is go to the edit, I will change the density of the concrete 25. Now I will again go to the load case detail, select the dead load, then the live load. In the dead load, it will include the self weight of the structure, direction will be y, and the factor of will be -1, that will indicate the load in the y direction downward. In the live load, I am providing it is the member load uniform force minus 30 kilonewton meter. In the gy, that is in the downward direction, gy self weight, assign to view. Now I will go to the load case detail again, define loads, the factor of safety 1.5 according to the Indian code. Then I will go to the print option and print all the details. And then I will go to the run analysis. View output file. Actual weight of the structure is 38.959. Now if you want to check the self weight of the structure, go to the tool, select the calculator. Since we have selected, I will go to the geometry, the this into 0.685 into the unit weight of concrete. That comes up to 559, and again if you multiply it by the length of the beam, it will give you 38.959. 38.959. You can see the result is accurate. Now we will go to the post processing, select the beam, go to the shear, select the load combination, check the shear force and the bending moment. So this is the way you can see the analysis of a single reinforced beam using STAAD.Pro. Thank you very much.